Alright guys, some of the stuff I get from the school, this elementary school, I mean, there's a lot of stuff in there. That thing's full. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's just so full of lettuce and stuff. I give these ladies eggs, and I mean, a lot of stuff for the chickens there. Three, 4 times a week I get these bags full from my ex-brother-in-law. I mean, I give the guy a bunch of chickens, and he's a janitor there. He gives me all this stuff for free. I mean, wait till you see the chickens go after this stuff. They love it. It's all free. You know, I get all kinds of stuff. I get pizza, beans, all kinds of stuff. Whatever the elementary school feeds the kids for lunch. So it's a nice venue I picked up. So I'll try to get you some shots feeding them. You know, you wait till you see them go after this stuff. Alright guys, so I got a full bucket here. A lot of scraps, I mean packed. And I got that for tomorrow. And I got half a bucket here. You know, I put all my, it's got all garbanzo beans and, you know, little scraps and stuff. That's about half a bucket. Then I got probably, you know, that would probably almost fill up the bucket there with bologna and stuff for protein. And I got a bucket there of bread. I'll give them that later in the day. I'll pull that apart, give it to them later, or throw some of that in there. And also got some protein I'm cooking up, warming up from the freezer. I got a thing of eggs and a couple of things of beef. I'll mix that in there. I could give them protein. I get all this stuff for free, so I mean all this stuff's for free, so I use it. They eat good. Sometimes they have pizza, sometimes they have spaghetti, sometimes they have beans. Today's going to be a lot of lettuce stuff. But I'll grind this up in my food processor and I'll mix it in there because it's too hard. That's hard for them to peck at. So I'll grind that up. I use this food processor to grind everything up. I'll show you when I get it done. This thing here, this thing gives it the old Gundy. I got a bunch of carrots in here, and these carrots are hard too. So I'll grind them up also. With the food processor. I'll throw this in there, I'll show you what it comes out like. Pulse action, I mean the thing comes out nice. No, it's easier for the chickens to eat, so that's what I do. I just grind it right up in there. Give it the old Gundy. I just grind up the thick stuff for them. Carrots, and these carrots are still hard, right? Show you what this thing does to the carrots. Best thing to do is put it on pulse. I'm going to put it on off, on off. I mean, it just cuts it up. Alright, there's all the carrots. I'll throw the greens down, then I'll throw this stuff on top of the greens, the leafy greens, and then they'll devour it. So this is all the bologna, and then this is all the... See, it cuts it up nice. I mean, that food processor. And I'll mix all this stuff up. That was half a bucket of, you know, lettuce stuff. We'll mix all that up. I got these 3 bags of protein I'm going to put in there, and we'll mix it all up. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. So I got a full bucket there of greens, spinach, and you know, lettuce stuff. I left it all big. This is all the stuff that's cut up with the meat, you know, everything that's cut up. It's 3/4 of a bucket there. I'll save this for tomorrow. This is all greens for tomorrow, and I could give them some of this too. I might throw some of this. Either I give them later in the day. Usually about 1 o'clock or so I give them a bunch of bread. And they'll devour the bread. They love the bread. But for a snack, this is what I'm going to give them for this morning feed. And you know, sometimes I get different stuff. I mean, sometimes I get pizza or spaghetti, all kinds of stuff from the school. Whatever the school feeds the kids, I get it. It's free. So if it's free, it's for me. Oh, yeah, mama, next level. Next level. Tomorrow's breakfast, I got a couple of pumpkins there. I'm going to cut them up. We'll cook them up and we'll bake them in the oven, and they'll eat them, skins and all. Pumpkins. They're my big pumpkins. I got them for free. We'll cook them up, give them to the chickens. Oh yeah. I got a couple of bags there for tomorrow. Plus I'm gonna be getting more stuff today from the meat market. Here's the bread. I give them at the end of the day. I give them 2 bags, 2 big bags of bread at the end of the day. That's 2.5 gallon bags. That's I give them that every day, at the end of the day. So I'll show you the setup. I give them clean. This is the hen coop. I'm going to hit this one first with the shots. I'll set the cameras up. You can see them coming out for the food. But I put all the lettuce on the bottom, then all the other stuff, the meat and stuff on the top. I mean, and what was left of the bread yesterday, I put in a pile here. They'll eat all that. Later on, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Around 1, 2 o'clock, I'll give them a bunch of bread. I mean, you know, I got what, 5 gallons of bread I give them, and I always dump the water out. See, it's freezing at night here, so I'm using this for water. This is what's left of the just bread crumbs from yesterday, and I put the feed here in the middle coop. I got a little spatula there. I scrape out whatever's left, and I throw over there. And then the last one, Menopause Manor, over here. Same thing. You can see they're all waiting to come out. A little bit of bread left from yesterday, and I'll get you guys. I'm gonna set you guys up with some shots. See them running out and going for the food. I mean, these guys are like little savages when it comes to feeding in the morning. They don't know what they're getting. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go let them out.